Welcome everyone. My name is Kim Larson. I'm a client success manager here at Luminoso. Today, Laila will be teaching us about copying concept lists and then shared views from one project to another. And this comes up when the similar use cases are created over time, and also when existing projects, they need to be fixed or recreated, we can copy it from the old project to the new one.
Yeah, so in order to copy a shared list over from one project to another, first you need to identify where you want to copy the shared list from. So all you need to grab from this site is the URL. And then once you actually have the script, you can just type it into your terminal like so, and add that first URL, the from URL, as we like to call it, where you're going to grab the existing concept list from.
Nice.
Next, you will just need to identify where you want those concept lists to go, where you want the same concept list that you had on that other project to be copied over into that new project. So from here, you're just going to grab the URL as well. And then you're going to paste that to URL into your terminal right after the from URL. And then all you have to do is hit enter, and then the script will run and will tell you how many concept lists you have added, skipped, or overwritten. And that's all you need to do. And then as we can see, those concept lists that were not there beforehand have now been copied into the to project.
Thanks.
And then in the case of copying shared views over, it is pretty much the same formatting. Once again, you'll identify what project you want to copy them from and get that URL, type in the same coding stuff, and then paste in that from URL afterwards.
Do a quick paste, maybe.
And then next, depending on where you want the views to go, you'll then find that project within Daylight and then copy that URL for your to URL. Then here, after the from URL has been pasted, you can then paste in your to URL and just hit enter again to run the script, and it will tell you when the shared views have been completed. In the case of the copy shared view script, also as we can see down below in the screenshot, that there was a concept list copied over as well. So that means that one of these views used a concept list to create that view. So it will do that as well for you.
Cool. Well, thank you, Laila, for teaching us, and thank you to our audience for attending. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're happy to help. If you have any custom solutions that you need for your Luminoso Daylight access, let us know, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.